recording. Okay, so when you're first getting started with Screencast-o-matic, we do have BSC Login Credentials. So to get there, you're going to go to Screencast-o-matic.com/BSC Online. Okay, this gives us access to all the premium features. And you have unlimited recording time and unlimited cloud storage. Okay, so you're going to log in with your BSC credentials.
And that's just normal email?
Yeah, your normal email credentials. And then it's going to bring you to your space. Okay, so I'm new, right? It's going to have all these little tutorial things. I'm just going to ignore it for now. And I already have some videos in here. So for those of you who already created a Screencast-o-matic account with your BSC email address, when you log in this way, it merges your accounts. Okay, so you didn't lose all that work if you had already started an account and didn't have this login information. So to start a recording, you're going to scroll up to the top and you're going to select Start Recorder. It's going to download a web client. This is usable on Macs and tablets and other devices, PC, it doesn't matter. All right, so now it's up. I'm in full screen mode. If I want to drop to a smaller size, maybe I don't want to record the whole screen, I just want to record part of my screen, I can do that. I like just defaulting to the full size. It makes it easy. Okay. If you have a webcam, you can toggle your webcam on and just lecture that way. And you can do both screen capture and webcam if you want the floaty head. Once you're ready to start recording, you're going to select record. It's going to count down. I probably should have already had a PowerPoint up. Oh, I do. Right? And you can start your presentation and you can start lecturing. Okay? If you want to annotate, you can annotate through PDF itself, but I just discovered that Screencast also does have an annotation tool. I guess you have to toggle it here. There we go. So before you start recording, turn on your drawing interactive, which comes up here, then hit record. And then no matter what screen you're on, whether it's PowerPoint or something else, you can interact that way. Okay. I don't know how well it will let you switch between software because it didn't let me toggle to a different screen share when I did that. So that's just something to keep in mind. You can pause your video, something happens, you need to step away, or you want to open up something else and have it ready before you start recording again, you can do that. When you're done recording, you're going to hit done. And we have options. We can save and upload, quick share, or edit. And again, because we are logging in through our BSC credentials, we have full editing capabilities. So save and upload. I already showed you how you can save it to your hard drive in a previous video. Now I'm going to show you how we can save to Screencast-o-matic. Again, this is a cloud-based system, so we have unlimited storage here. So I'm going to click Upload to Screencast-o-matic. I'm going to name it Awesome, whatever I want to name it, and then I'm going to select Publish. It's going to upload. Well, first it's going to encode it, then it's going to start uploading it. Depending on how long your video is, this may take more time. Once I'm done, you have you can email it, you can post it to Facebook, you can put it in your Google Classroom, you can tweet it out, and you can embed it in your Microsoft Teams. Amber's going to talk about Teams in a minute. I'm just going to open Upload, and to embed it into my Moodle course, I'm then going to click the link here, and that's going to give me my embed code. What I do recommend doing is change the size of your video to small, and that'll make sense in a minute. And then I'm going to copy this embed code. Then I'm going to go back to my Moodle page, and I'm going to add an activity. I'm going to go to resources, and I'm going to add a page. Then I'm going to make the name awesome video, right? Give some details. And then in page content, I'm going to select the down arrow to open up my HTML code. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to paste the embed code that I copied from Screencast-o-matic, just like you do if you had uploaded the video to YouTube, but this doesn't require a YouTube account. Then I'm going to save and return to course, and I can view the video. And students can now have access to the video. Now, the reason we made it small when we changed it from the large video to the small video is because if you left it large, this would be bigger than the window they get. So it would look weird to them, okay? So that's why I say make it small, right? So they can watch the video and do all that fun stuff. Alrighty, there was another thing into, if you want closed captions, you can go back to edit your video, and under editing, you can toggle closed captions on and off. Again, this is usually voice to text closed captions, so it's usually not ADA compliant. Another alternative that people had to closed captions is they would, in their PowerPoint, on the notes section, they would have their script or notes, and then they would upload the PowerPoint and upload the video. So students had both the PowerPoint with the script and the video that they could follow along with. If you're using a PowerPoint, that works well. I'm going to stop this real quick.